Hi dear! Not sure which yarn to choose? Don't worry, in this video, I'll help you choose the right yarn for your crochet project. Let's get started! 1. Decide what you want to make first. If you're a beginner, don't buy yarn first. Instead, decide your crochet project first, because different projects need different types of yarn. For wearable projects like clothes, cardigans, or vests, choose cotton yarn, milk cotton, or bamboo cotton because they are soft and comfortable to wear. For amigurumi, milk cotton is a great choice because it creates neat stitches and a cute shape. For bags, choose polyester t-shirt yarn or polyester cord because they are stronger and more durable. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting with a soft cotton yarn or a good quality milk cotton. Choose a yarn that doesn't split easily, so it's easier to see your stitches and crochet comfortably. 2. Choose a thicker yarn. Thicker yarn is easier to see and easier to crochet. It also helps you finish your project faster. For beginners, I recommend using medium or thick yarn instead of very thin yarn. Thicker yarn makes your stitches easier to see. Thin yarn can make it harder to see your stitches. Now let's look at this yarn weight chart. Don't worry, you don't need to memorize everything. The most important part is the number on the left. The smaller the number, the thinner the yarn. The bigger the number, the thicker the yarn. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting with yarn size 2 to 4 because it's easier to see your stitches and easier to crochet. You can also use the hook size in this chart to choose the right crochet hook for your yarn. If you're a beginner, I recommend choosing light-colored yarn, such as white, cream, light gray, baby blue, or pastel colors. Light colors make your stitches easier to see, so it's easier to count your stitches and spot mistakes. Avoid very dark colors like black, dark brown, or navy blue when you're first learning. These colors can hide your stitches, making it more difficult to see where to insert your crochet hook. Also, avoid bright neon colors. Neon yarn can be too bright and may make your eyes feel tired during long crochet sessions. Also, avoid fuzzy or textured yarn at the beginning. Smooth yarn lets you see every stitch clearly and makes learning much easier. Once you feel more confident, you can try darker colors and different yarn textures. 4. Choose the right crochet hook. Using the right crochet hook is just as important as choosing the right yarn. A hook that's too small can make your stitches too tight, while a hook that's too large can make them loose and uneven. Most yarn labels include a recommended hook size, so it's a great place to start if you're a beginner. Each yarn weight has a recommended crochet hook size. Using the right hook will make your stitches look neater and make crocheting much easier. If you're just starting, yarn weight number 2 or number 3 with a 4.0 to 5.0 millimeters hook is the easiest combination to learn. If you want to learn how to choose the right crochet hook, make sure to watch my next video. That's it! Those are the basic tips for choosing the right yarn as a beginner. Don't worry about buying expensive yarn or tools. The most important thing is to start, practice, and enjoy the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your crochet friends. See you in the next tutorial.